Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into the May Ipsy Glam Bag, all of the items inside, whether the subscription box is worth it. We're also going to review and try every item inside. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's Ipsy Glam Bag, stay tuned. All right, so we do have 5 items in this bag, and this is the regular Glam Bag, which is the $13 a month subscription value. And we're gonna jump into all 5 items and talk through them. So I'm actually gonna start on the eyes. First item in the box comes from Complex Culture Beauty, and this is the Fresh Start eyeshadow palette. Now, if you didn't know, this is Ipsy's brand. So it's a house brand, which means that obviously it's going to be a little bit more affordable, but also it's going to be one of those products where they make it and they don't want to actually have a bad name. So typically I find I do like their brand. Now, this is the inside of the palette. It is very neutral, but I really like the way this terracotta shade looks. This is considered a deluxe sample eyeshadow palette. The palette is here to make doing your favorite eyeshadow makeup looks totally stress-free. These ultra flattering neutral shades are long lasting and will not crease either. Mix and match to highlight and contour your lids like a pro. It is also vegan and cruelty free. So I'm going to grab a brush and I'm going to start with this shade right here. And I'm going to take a decent amount of that and I'm going to pat that on the outer portion of my lids. And I'm going to put a decent amount of this on. And I am going to press it up to the crease. And once that's in place, I'm going to use the same brush and grab a little bit of that lighter shade. And I'm going to use that light brown to blend the edges and blend up into the crease. Then I'm going to grab the bright, vibrant shade. And I am going to take a decent amount of that on this brush. And I want it to be a little bit softer, so I'm not going to wet it. I'm just going to take that over the lid. Now, if you want this to be really foiled, you can add some setting spray, and that will make it more vibrant. But I want a little bit of a softer look today, so I'm not going for that. All right, I'm going to go throw on mascara and blend a little bit on the lower lash, and I'll be right back. And the next item out of the box comes from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream, also a deluxe sample. Fine lines, puffiness, dryness. This fast-absorbing eye cream helps to address all of them thanks to plumping hyaluronic acid, depuffing caffeine, and soothing colloidal oatmeal. I have used this in the past, and it's not that I don't like it, but it's definitely not my favorite eye cream, so that's going to be a pass from me. Next up from the brand Ico, this is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner in the color Cocoa Edit. It is a brown liner. Retailing for $12, this deluxe sample is the perfect for liquid eyeliner novices. The ultra-precise pen lets you create fluid lines in a single stroke. Once the brown pigments are on, they won't smudge, smear, or fade for a full 8 hours. You all know I don't like liquid liner, so that's also going to be a pass. Next up from the brand Beauty For Real, this is going to be the lip liner in the shade Neutral Deep, retailing for $16. Who has time to reapply lipstick? Just use the long-wearing lip liner as a base to up the staying power of whatever you layer on top of it. Now, I actually have this in the old packaging, and I'm really excited to try this one out. I'm assuming it's the same formula, because why wouldn't it be? But it is in new packaging. I love pairing this liner with a red lip, because it's just the perfect shade for me, or if your complexion's a little deeper than mine, you can use this for nudes. And I know this looks very dark, but I'm actually going to layer a true red on top, and you'll see the way that this liner ombres perfectly. All right, and I did throw a tiny bit of gloss on top, but you see how that neutral deep liner feathers beautifully into the deep red? Definitely one of my favorite liners, and I know I am biased because I'm actually really good friends with the owner, but she knows when I don't like a formula and she knows when I love it, and these liners are hands down my favorite. And the last item is from the brand Hems. This is the Pomegranate Herbal Body Butter, deluxe sample retailing for $19. This body moisturizer is a smooth, silky skin, starts with this, sorry, I can't read today. Smooth and silky skin starts with this body butter. The ultra-rich yet fast-absorbing formula is infused with nourishing hemp seed oil, shea butter, and antioxidant-rich pomegranate and ginseng to extracts to help nix dryness and give your skin a healthy glow. You know I don't like body butters, so that is also going to be a pass from me. Now for $13, obviously the liner alone is worth the value of the box, and I'm obviously a big fan of the liner. It sits so well with multiple colors, and you can actually layer nudes on it or reds. I like it with reds because it's a little bit deeper, but the regular neutral, which is also a variation in the Glam Bag, is going to be just as beautiful with your neutrals and your nude lip colors. Now, I'm actually really happy with all of the things I tried today. I think the eyes look really nice. I love how they pair with the lip. Even though I typically wouldn't wear a red lip with this eye, you definitely can, and it's completely up to you. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it. For me, this is definitely a win of a Glam Bag, and we've had some ones that were okay, we've had some ones that were bad, and this one is pretty damn good. Let me know your thoughts down below as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!